Like, ano yung mga things na nag-fail because wala ka pala nun?
Let me see. Well, wala kang passion doon.
Okay.
You just wanted to make money. That's a very shallow reason to be in business.
Okay.
Some people say, what is the purpose and objective of business? Is to make money. Di ba? May mga ganung pagkakaan. Yun lang ang nakikita. Pero I don't think that is sustainable eh. If that's the only objective. Kahit papano, there needs to be a passion why you are doing such a thing. And business is just simply a platform to achieve that.
Okay. Sir, can you share some of the, if you don't mind, yung mga mistakes that created you a better businessman?
Better businessman, mistakes? Kinalimutan ko na kasi.
At this stage.
Iniisip ko kasi nasa real estate kami, di ba? So, ano yung mga pinasok namin na medyo nahirapan kami. Ayun, meron.
Ano po yung magandang inspiration nyo sa mga viewers natin, sir?
Inside you, para sa akin ito, no? This is my personal opinion.
Yes, sir.
Pinanganak ka na may potential. Pinanganak ka na meron kang pwedeng gawin. Pag natap mo yung potential na yan, ano yun, you can do it. You can make something out of yourself. It's not true na maraming outside factors that prevent you. That could be true na may mga challenges, but they are just challenges. It makes you better to meet these challenges in order for you to learn better. And you can do it.
Gusto mo bang matuto ng agribusiness, crops, livestock and poultry, aquaculture, at ma-inspire sa mga success stories? Agribusiness How It Works. As a YouTube channel, Agribusiness features entrepreneurs, farmers, organizations, OFWs, investors. However, beyond our usual content and official endorsements, Agribusiness does not engage in other business dealings with them. While our viewers and featured individuals and entities may choose to pursue business deals with each other on their own, we encourage them to be cautious in doing so. This September, join us for a day of 6 panel discussions, exhibits, business socials, and dinner. Learn from agriculture's top experts and explore the ideal farming venture for you at Agribusiness Connect, happening at Elements at Centris, September 28, 2025. Doors open at 12 noon. Don't forget to register through the link in the video description box or simply message us on Agribusiness Facebook page. You may also text us at 0917-827-7770. Strictly no walk-ins. Meet the Agribusiness Connect panelists. Rice and corn, high-value crops and orchard, smart farming and precision agriculture, livestock and poultry, aquaculture, mechanized farm machineries. Exciting prizes and giveaways are waiting for you. Win a trip to Taiwan, made possible by B&G Travel and Tours Services. 2 lucky winners will be announced during the event. Win exclusive gift certificates from Kiwami, Japanese Master Kitchen. Lucky winners will be announced at Agribusiness Connect. Don't miss it. Traveling anywhere around the world? Book with Mango Tours Houston for exclusive discounts. See you in Agribusiness Connect. Agribusiness Connect. Agriculture in full view.
Masang production mo ng milk, sir?
Ngayon, mga 50 liters, 30
A day?
30 liters a day. Pero ang target ko dyan, di ba, eventually 1,000 liters a day. If I have 500 milking goats. Ayan, ganda na ng golf, ha?
Ganda na, sir.
Ayan, no? Ayan, mamaya, pa-picture kayo dyan, no? Dahan na pinagaganda, eh. Para merong magawa, pag ano,
Ikaw na may sariling golf course sa farm. Hanggang ngayon, sir, busy ka pa rin sa business.
Hindi na masyado. Busy, no? Understatement. Busy, pero pinipili ko rin eh. Pag may ganito, katulad yan, dito tayo. Mas gusto ko to. Di ba? Yan yung iba-ibang klaseng puno, andyan. May mangga, may pomelo, merong, ano ba yung andyan dyan, pomegranate. Dito, dyan sa loob na yan. Ito yung mga experimental na orchard na puno. Yan, no? Iniisip ko lagyan ng pinya eh.
Saan, sir?
Ayan, yan. Either pinya or langka. Kaso matagal yung langka, hindi ba? 3 years din eh.
Oh, pero at least orchard 'yon. Ang pineapple every year magtatanim ka.
Tatanim ka, yun, pabayaan mo na lang eh, no? Ikaw, given the choice sa lahat ng mga nabisita mo, aside from avocado, ano ang para sa iyo magandang itanim? Durian, langka, evyart, ano pa ba yun? Mangosteen, anong pang-orchard para sa iyo?
Ang hirap ng tanong na siya.
Kung ako tatanungin mo, ano gusto ko sana? Kay Mito.
Star apple.
Star apple, bihira na eh. Wala ka na masyadong makita kay Mito.
Sa bagay, nagmamahal na ngayon yun.
Ganun ba?
Ang mahal na rin
Saka
yun.
maganda yung kay Mito eh. Alam mo, meron yung custard apple, yung atemoya, tsaka cherry moya. Iba talaga yung cherry moya, di ba? Tsaka atemoya. Yung halos parang guyabano yung meat niya. Meron ba?
Masarap yun.
Oh, sarap nun. Sa Australia ako nakatikim nun.
Sa Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Napunta namin yung farm.
Pero mukhang maselan, no? Yung skin, madaling
May pambalot sila,
may
sir.
pambalot pa eh.
Pambalot. From bata pa siya, nakabalot na.
Nakabalot na, no?
Kaya ang kinis. Ang kinis.
Pero ang sarap, no?
Grabe. Grabe ang pruning nun.
Prune ka na, prune.
Halos walang dahon.
Ganon? Ay, yes. I saw the picture. Halos sa, di ba, parang mulberry. Parang sanga-sanga lang. Oh, anyway.
Sige, sir, tingnan
Ayan,
natin.
silipin natin to. Renel, alin yung puno na tatlong
Ito po, sir.
Ito yung
Ayan.
tatlo.
Hoya.
Asan ang hoya?
Ito po.
Itong branch na to, itong branch na to, ito. So tatlong main branch lang siya. So itong branch na to, hoya.
Apo.
Tapos yung kabilang branch,
Ito po yung pepe.
ito yung
Itong kabila naman po,
Pepe.
sir. Ito yung California Hass.
California has yung kabila. So
Ganda niya.
kung
pag
tingnan nyo
namunga.
po yung tree, okay, from the trunk, meron siyang tatlong lateral branches. 1, 2, 3. Bawat lateral branches, isang variety. So itong branch na to, ito yung hoya?
Hoya.
Hoya to. Tapos ito yung
Yung
pepe.
Kailangan mo
Tapos
na-
ito yung California.
Hass.
Ayan. So tingnan natin yung dahon niya, ang difference. Kita mo yung difference, no? Ito yung dahon ng hoya. Ito yung dahon ng California. Magkaiba, oh. Magkaiba sila. Ang saya nito pag namunga, sir.
Oh, iba-iba. Ayan, no? Ito, ano to, Renel?
Ayan,
Hoya
may
din
bunga.
po yan.
Ha?
Hoya.
Hoya din.
Hoya.
Ayan, mga may bunga na. Oh.
Ilang years na to?
Nasa 2 years na rin po yung mahigit.
Ganda.
Ayun pa, oh. Ayun pa, oh. Hoya din yun.
Apa. Ito po, sir.
Yan ang all season.
Ito yung all season. Type A.
Ayun pa, oh. Dami pala dito. Ayun, oh, sa taas.
Dami.
Ayun, oh.
Meron din po yan. Malalaki doon. Mababa lang po siya.
Saan?
Harap
Tingnan
yung
nga natin.
Ayan,
Tingnan natin. Saan? Ito.
Ito.
Ha?
Ito, sir, itong lugar na to, itong portion, sa'yo to.
Oo.
Ano po siya?
Tapos,
Yung
kinuha
malaki
niyang...
na po siya.
Sabi ko, dito ka maglagay ng mga eksperimento mo. eksperimento mong gusto mong pag-cross-crossin,
Tama.
tinanim niya to, iba-ibang varieties.
Ang ginawa po dito, kagaya po nito, yung mga ginawa pong mga side graft. Halimbawa po ito, puno po rin na local.
Oo.
Tapos po, graft po yan dito sa pinakagilid. Tapos yung pinakataas niya po doon sa local, pinutol. Tapos ito na po yung naging resulta po siya.
Oh, I see.
Ito na po yung pinagputulan po dati. Yung local po na avocado.
Side grafting.
Apa. Tapos ngayon, nung lumaki na po siya, ito na po siya.
Nung lumaki siya, parang
unti-unti na po
kadugtong niya
siya
talaga,
nawawala.
no? Doon sa original.
Pero pag sa subok po namin kasi sir, pag sa side graft pa isa yung sa grafted po talaga, mas masilan po yung side graft.
Side graft. Mas
graft.
maselan.
Masilan po talaga.
So mas okay talaga yung seedlings ka, graft mo,
No.
bantayan mo.
Kasi pag maganda po yung talaga yung seedlings po ay saka yung kondisyon po yung seedlings tapos yung pang-graft po natin ay maganda po. Mga hindi po abutin ng 2 weeks hanggang 20.
Meron na.
Meron na pong talbos po yun, nalabas na po siya.
Galing ng Sun Pacific
Tapos pag halimbawa po na sabihin mo po na buhay na po siya, mga 1 month, hindi mo pa talaga po masigurado. Kahit mga 2 months po na may namamatay pa.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo, di ba?
Bibindisyonan
Bibindisyonan mo muna ng holy water. Tapos dadasalan mo na mabuhay.
Sir, yung mga interested, paano nila kukontakin ang Sun Pacific?
Dito na, merong Sun Pacific
Website.
website.
Okay.
Nandun sa or they can call Leon Philip. We will handle how to link Sun
Yes,
Pacific
yes, sir.
customers sa kanila diretso. Tsaka yung after sale service sigurado, including yung sa seedlings kung paano i-care and kung maramihan doon sa isang area. Gusto ni Joel talaga i-propagate.
Sa isang hektarya, sir, lumalabas, ilan yun?
Ilan rin nilang na maximum niya
Sa
sa isang
hektarya?
hektarya? 800?
Ang parang nasubukan lang po kasi namin doon, parang nasa 500 po yata.
500.
May higit po kasi mas madalang po yung
Yung malalaki distance, no?
Yung pagitan
20
po.
feet
Opo.
by 20 feet.
May 20
hindi,
ka ba? 15.
15
feet. 15
Kaya
feet.
parang nasa 500 po lang mahigit po yata.
Lagay nyo.
Oh, okay.
Oo. Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad. Oo. Pag namunga na yan.
Yes, sir.
Ang mahal-mahal ng avocado na
Ayun, may
kasi.
ang daming bunga doon.
Ayun, ang dami nun, no?
Ito, lito, ang dami, oh.
Ayan, Gina. Turo mo dun, no? Yan.
Oh.
Ayan.
Hindi lang makita sir, pero
Hindi,
nakatago
yan.
siya
Ang dami,
sa mga dahon.
Anong variety po to?
Hoya.
Hoya. Ganda ng Hoya. Oh.
Gumag-
Lalaki pa to, di ba?
Yung depende po sa kwan kasi meron po yung mga garne lang po siya kalaki, merong mga garne.
Ilang months na to, Nel, mabilis na. Parang pa-harvest na to siya.
Harvest
Pa-harvest na rin to?
Ito, mga pa-harvest na po ito.
Harvest
mga
na
gano'n.
siya.
Ilang weeks na lang.
Siguro mga August po pwede na po.
2 weeks.
Few weeks na lang.
2 weeks na lang. 2 linggo.
August, September po may ma-harvest na po sa mga Hoya. Estimated lang. Estimate lang po sa...
Sarap. Dati, hindi ako masyado sa avocado.
Yes,
Pero
sir.
yung brother ko si Joel, talagang in love na avocado lover eh. So, trinay namin kung saan ilalagay, no? Ako, ang best ko dyan,
Magulang.
avocado lang, lalagyan kong olive oil, salt and pepper, pak! Ayos na. Wala, di ba tayo,
Sugar.
lalagyan mo ng asukal, lalagyan mong kondensada.
Oo.
Yun ang typical avocado, di ba? Yun ang naalala ko nung maliit kami. Pero sarap rin pala yung olive oil. Tsaka salt and pepper. Ay, nako. The best. Ang sarap. Tsaka sa sa mga nutritional value niya, mataas ang avocado eh. Ayan, ako nagtanim niyan, buddy. Yung mga iba-ibang variety ng
Mangga, sir.
mangga, no? May choconam, merong isa, yung century ba yun? Queen,
Anong?
Queen something, Queen mango. Diba? Tama na yan. Okay na yung meron kang mga ilang punong ganyan na mapapaglibangan. Doon tayo sa
Balik na pa tayo.
balik na tayo doon.
Dito na tayo mag-closing kaya, sir.
Oo, pwede na yan.
Ganda, oh.
May mga tao ko dito hindi pang mayaman, pang kalahatan yan.
Oh.
Kaya lahat sila, tinuturuan kong pumalo. Katuwa sila. Kaso, yung mga bata
Oo.
ang lalakas pumalo. Sabi ko, talon nyo na ako
Ilang holes to, sir?
9 holes.
Ganda.
Gusto mo na mag-closing dito?
Yes, sir.
Sige.
Under the tree.
Under the tree? Sige.
Masyadong malakas hangin. Mukhang hindi titigil to eh.
Dito? Hindi pwede dyan.
Yung ano sir, yung hangin,
Hangin.
malakas masyado.
Maingay, no?
Maingay. Oops. Nagsalita ang totoong hindi kumakain.
Yung kata niya gumagano, no? Naghahanap na naman siya kung pagkain. Daddy, ano, mag-drone ba? Pero kasi ang nakalagay sa drone, if too windy at nag-crash, hindi niya maibabalik sarili niya.
Wag na lang. Sir, kasama pa rin natin si Sir Toti Carino dito pa rin sa Leon Philip Farms.
That's
Sir,
correct. That's correct.
Ayan.
In Lipa.
In Lipa. Ayan.
Lipa, Batangas City.
Nakita natin.
Batangas lang pala, sorry. Hindi Batangas City. Lipa, Batangas.
Lipa, Batangas.
Oo.
At sir, yung unang episode natin, nakita natin yung iba-ibang activity dito sa farm. But today, nag-concentrate tayo sa avocado ng
Sun Pacific.
Sun Pacific Avocados. Ayan. Sir, maliban doon sa diniscuss natin kanina, it's an opportunity, sir, na makasama kita at ikaw naman, sir, yung tanungin ko ng mga insights mo, sir, sa business.
Ba?
Dahil season. Sir, ano po ang mga basics ng mga pagnenegosyo para maging successful?
Number one, I think you must create the passion. Kailangan passionate ka dun sa ginagawa mo.
Mm-hmm.
And if at first wala yung passion na yun, then you have to develop that passion.
Mm-hmm.
Second, kung may passion ka na, dapat may advocacy ka. Na ano ang goal mo, ano ang gusto mong mangyari.
Mm-hmm.
Na hindi lamang sa iyo, kung hindi sa community, sa iba. There should be an advocacy that concerns others, how they will benefit from your product or from your business. The usual, no, you have to be dedicated, you have to have discipline sa ginagawa mo, and perseverance and all of these things. But it starts with the passion. You have to create that passion in your heart so that every day, meron kang pagising mo sa umaga. You're looking for it already. And that can be created.
Sir, yung dahil kayo ay nasa real estate at somehow mas malalaking businesses ito compared to others, may difference ba yung big business compared to small business?
Well, in terms of what is required, big business requires capital.
Okay.
But small business and big business, in terms of the qualities of the people running the business, I think parehas lang because the small businessman needs to also look into how to grow his business. Of course, may mga businessman na they want to keep it small.
Okay.
No? Yun naman, siguro ang idea nila, manageable, hands-on, they're enjoying it dahil ang control is andyan sa kanila. The big business naman, maaaring iba yung nasa isip nila. They want as many people to probably get benefits out of it because it's big business. And the more people that they are able to touch, the more is the impact on the others. Diba?
But in terms of sakit sa ulo, sir, parehas lang ba?
I would say parehas lang eh.
Parehas lang.
Parehas lang eh. The people, the situations that you encounter in big business can also be the same situations that are encountered by the entrepreneurs. In fact, ang entrepreneurs nga eh, mas kailangan maging creative eh. Kasi sa big business, you're always aided by professionals and specialists. Eh kung entrepreneur ka, small business, ikaw lahat yun.
Gusto, kailangan matutunan mo lahat.
Kailangan matutunan mo lahat yan. And you are always exposed, no? Of course, you need to get as many expert advices also. No?
Kayo, sir, sa tagal nyo na isang negosyante, Marami rin ba kayong mga pagkakamali, sir?
Marami. Naku. Kung bibilangin natin, marami talaga, no? Yun naman pagkakamali, hindi mo naman dapat stay down. In fact, you learn from it. The best lessons in business are from the mistakes that you committed. That's the way to learn from it. Kung smooth sailing ka na lang, wala ka natututunan. Pero kung may mga pagkakamali, ang daming learnings.
Okay.
Nabe-better mo yung craft mo, nabe-better mo yung business mo. As long as you don't give up. Don't stay down. Get up.
Sir, kahit na malaking negosyante ka, isang pagkakamali, posibleng tumumba ka.
Meron. May mga ganong pagkakataon na isang pagkakamali mo, hindi ka bagay dyan sa business na yan. Because that business would probably require something that you do not have or you do not have a passion for. Diba?
Like, ano yung mga things na nag-fail because wala ka pala nun?
Let me see. Well, wala kang passion doon.
Okay.
You just wanted to make money. That's a very shallow reason to be in business.
Okay.
Some people say, what is the purpose and objective of business? Is to make money. Di ba? May mga ganung pagkakaan. Yun lang ang nakikita. Pero I don't think that is sustainable eh. If that's the only objective. Kahit papano, there needs to be a passion why you are doing such a thing. And business is just simply a platform to achieve that.
Okay. Sir, can you share some of the, if you don't mind, yung mga mistakes that created you a better businessman?
Better businessman, mistakes? Kinalimutan ko na kasi.
At this stage.
Iniisip ko kasi nasa real estate kami, di ba? So, ano yung mga pinasok namin na medyo nahirapan kami. Ayun, meron. May mga pinasok din kami mga government dealings with government. Iba ang mga requirements doon eh. Iba ang discipline doon. No? Iba rin ang expectations doon. Na sometimes sa private sector, may mga given ka. Yung pala if you're dealing with government, may mga additional layers of requirements.
Okay.
You have to deal with so many things, including corruption, which is number one. No, yun, sa private dealings, kaya kami, as much as possible, we learned also our lesson. Dalawa na yung aming government projects or infrastructure projects that we got involved in. One is the MRT.
Okay.
And then the other one is Camp Chanhae in Baguio.
Yeah.
Ngayon, problema. So those are the things na kung i-rewind namin, magdadalawang isip kami kung ano ang dapat pang ginawa namin to insulate ourselves from such damage. Dahil may mga nag-turn out na hindi naman namin ini-expect na gano'n ang mangyayari. No?
And lumabas lang yan after how many years?
After how many years, you know? Like Chanhae, 25 years na. We've sunk in so much money in terms of development. Instead na we would be reaping the benefits from it. Problems ang nakukuha namin and we're trying to help the buyers who bought sa Chanhae. All because of one decision by the courts. Wherein sa tingin namin, hindi dapat manangyari dahil ang tinamaan yung mga buyers na nakabili doon. Pero may moral responsibility kami na mga clients namin yan eh. So we have to defend them. So those are the things na sometimes unexpected. But it's given, it's there. You still continue. Dapat tapos na kami. Patayin ko na muna. Sabi siya, wala akong talagang walang patawad
old
sa
business.
Wala, pinahanap tayo.
Okay, sir, given the chance na pag magre-rewind tayo, you think better na hindi mo kinuha yung mga projects na to?
Well, it's not only me, no? Kasi tatlo kami dyan sa negosyo ngayon, sa real estate, no?
Okay.
I have 2 other partners. Ako, personally, yung I have no regrets because I learned lessons. No? But yung mga partners ko, may shade din sila doon. Isang partner ko, sabi niya, pag-uulitin natin, hindi ko na uulitin. Dahil ayoko na yung mga ganyang problema. Hindi naman natin kagagawan ng ibang tao, and yet pati tayo naapekton emotionally, and then pati yung ating oras na pupunta sa walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. Kaya may mga ganong mga pag-uusap.
Sir, yung success mo, gaano mo katagal binild yun?
Well, I started very young. I started at 19 years old.
Wow.
I was a working student and I was selling real estate as a salesman.
Oh.
So I learned the ropes of selling and marketing even while I was still in college. After that, after 4 or 5 years, I learned siguro naman the discipline of managing people and more importantly, the discipline of leading people in marketing and in sales. So that's where probably nag-jibe yung aming mga qualities ng dalawang partners ko pa. I handled the sales and marketing and we look for business opportunities to expand the business. Naswertehan naman, but with God's grace, pinalaki kami talaga. At marami ng mga tao na nung panahon na yun, hanggang ngayon, lalo na yung mga ka-age natin, buddy. Pag sinabi, Phil Estate, ay, sigurado, kilala niyo ba si ganyan? Kilala. No? Kasi maraming natuto at that time on becoming a real estate entrepreneur.
Sir, you started early ka mo, student ka pala, nasa sales ka na. Why? Bakit ka nag-sales ng estudyante ka?
My father passed away when I was 19 years old. And he was a lawyer. And my mother was a college professor and had 4 other siblings. So,
Are you
mga
the
bata pa
eldest?
So, I'm the eldest. So, dalawa kami nung kapatid ko, yung si Joel, yung kambal ko. So, siya naman ang una sa akin matapos. Ako, believe it or not, buddy, people don't wanna believe this. At that time, I was in college. Ang major ko was philosophy. Sabi sa akin, ba't philosophy? Minor ko yung philosophy because I want to take up theology. Because I want to enter the seminary.
Talaga,
At
sir?
at that time. So, sabi, ba't naman naisipan mo magpare? At that time, gusto ko talagang, akala ko may vocation ako eh. But I found out later on, circumstances happened. I had to go out and work. And it was, doon ako dinala ng Diyos.
So yung first work mo, sir, destiny talaga yun?
I think so.
Ito yung pupuntahan mo pala?
Ito yung pupuntahan mo, ito yung bilo mo. Dito ka magpakadalubhasa, ganyan. So, yun ang nangyari.
Sir, naging congressman ka. Pasig, sir, no?
Pasig.
Bakit mo pinasok ang politics din noon?
I thought that being part of the political system, wherein you are in the legislation, you could make a difference.
Okay.
Especially dun sa area of housing. At that time, we were so entrenched in development. I thought there were certain laws and certain legislative intervention that could make housing a reality, affordable reality to as many people as possible. So that was my motivation to be one of the congressmen so that we could participate in crafting laws that would make housing more reachable and affordable to a lot of people.
Were you able to realize that vision, sir?
Yeah, through the years, not through me, but for people who came after me, nag-develop naman yung mga measures na yon. And at that time, especially the last 15 years, I became the national president of CREBA. CREBA is the Chamber of Real Estate Builders and Developers Association. So we were always, parati kaming sinasanggunian ng mga congressmen who were involved in housing. CREBA was also instrumental in the creation of the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. Si Congressman Albi Benitez and Senator J.B. Ejercito put together the bill that created the SUD. At sila mismo ang mag-a-attest that it was because of CREBA's initiative. Na talagang pinakita namin na kailangan natin to, hindi natin kailangan ng isang coordinating body lamang. Kailangan natin a full-fledged department that can focus on housing. Nakumbinsin natin yung dalawa. So together, nagkaroon ng bill creating the DSUD. That's why we're proud of that we were part of it, yung CREBA.
Sir, ano ko lang, nung congressman ka, bakit hindi ka nagtagal? Ba't umayaw ka?
Siguro, siguro nakita ko rin na I could be more at that time, more effective outside than be more partisan.
Okay.
Kasi isang advantage din ng being a involved businessman. Involved, ba? Some businessmen walang pakialam eh. But if you are a businessman that is truly involved, you become non-partisan and you can talk issues. You can talk suggestions without being labeled as kasi ganito yan, kasi ganyan yan, kasi ganyan. That to me was an advantage of being an outsider and helping out inside.
With all your success, sir, may gusto ka ba?
May gusto pa ako? To share probably the success that I have, that as many people, as many Filipinos can also enjoy the things that I am enjoying. Hindi lang sa akin, kung hindi, I think, I've traveled to many places. We deserve to have a better life. We deserve to have many things that are right now unreachable. Sa housing na lamang, every Filipino should have had a house na kaya niya. Pero ilan pa sa mga kababayan natin nakatira pa rin sa mga informal communities o informal settlements. Meron pa nakatira sa ilalim ng tulay. Hanggang ngayon, ang tagal ng pinag-uusapan yan. So to me, my wish is that maski yung basic lang. But of course, kung magkaroon ng prosperity, tulad ng Taiwan. Ang Taiwan noon, pag nakita mo, di ba, ang Pilipino, pag pumunta sa Taiwan, sila pa nagdadala ng gamit, wala silang mga sabon, kung ano-ano noon. That was about 40 years ago. But now, Taiwan is very nagtathrive. Kasi doon sa Taiwan, everybody's an entrepreneur. Everybody's halos, kaya nag-i-import na ng workers eh. Nangyayari, tayo mga Pilipino naging workers. Baka later on, tayo naman ang mga nag-i-employ. Yun sana magandang panaginip.
Okay, sir. May yung sa audience natin, karamihan sa kanila, the reason why they're watching is because kumuha sila ng inspiration.
Yeah, sure.
Ano po yung magandang inspiration niyo sa mga viewers natin, sir?
Inside you, para sa akin ito, this is my personal opinion.
Yes, sir.
Pinanganak ka na may potential. Pinanganak ka na meron kang pwedeng gawin. Pag na-tap mo yung potential na yan, ano yun, you can do it. You can make something out of yourself. It's not true na maraming outside factors that prevent you. That could be true na may mga challenges, but they are just challenges. It makes you better to meet these challenges in order for you to learn better. And you can do it.
Ayan. Sir,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Sir,
Salamat,
thank you so
Buddy.
much.
And papasalamat ako kay Buddy. Malaking tulong tong mga ginagawa niya. Hindi lamang sa mga kaibigan ko, pati mga hindi ko kaibigan na sinabi si Buddy pinanood ang agribusiness. Naku, tuwan-tuwa sila. Nagkakaroon sila. Yung talking about inspiration.
Yes, sir.
Inspiration kayo.
Thank you.
Really, it is so true. No,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Agribusiness merch is now available on Shopee and Lazada. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.